office.
And that is the office of the King of Qatar.
And this side,
That side are boats.
boats.
Hindi ko not boat. Dao.
Those are cows, but
Dao boat.
Dough. Careful. And so that's the old boats, huh? Oh. And that side. And that side.
that side there's lakes, and right
That's not lake.
over there is an ocean.
Yeah, that's the.
It's a sea over there,
Yeah.
and on that side, almost right next to that tall building, you see that tornado tower.
Yes.
That's my dad's old office.
Yeah. Oh, that's the Qatar's building, huh? High-rise building in that area. That's the Doha skyline, no?
No, skyscraper.
A skyscraper. Oh, do your ano? Wheel, cartwheel.
Wait, I have to be out, or else it will fall off.
Oh, it's hot.
She said do it.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I can do it.
Yes, you can do it. Oh, see? Go back. Boink. Huh?
It's getting
That side the museum.
Yes, it's a lot of boats. And the soup area.
Yeah? What's that?
I've never been there before.
Where?
That museum. So I'm looking forward to go there.
Yeah, we've been there many times.
Oh, you've been there when you were a kid.
Remember I pushed that thing and then it went like.
You push the building.
See, there's lots of dough cruise here, oh. A dough boat. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Magsalita ka.
Audience lang po ako, audience.
O, pumalakpak ka. Yay! Bus kami. What time is it now? It's 9:50. Labas tayo para makasingot ng sariwang hangin. Mapalitan yung hangin sa katawan natin.